Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, dual rear wheels, rear-wheel drive, tires, rear all-season, tires, front all-season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.